Yes, guys, some of the reasons why I see that red political party is a cult is the fact that ushanjani ukuthi we must document I'm a criminal because those people are criminals. Why when ukhuluma kuphela only if leyo ndaba leyo matter leyo is Nigerian related? Makhuluma ngama Nigeria, siyazi ukuthi we're going to find you in the front. Makwenzeka something to certain Nigerians, we're going to find you in the front. We're not going to find any political party when we're going to find you in the front. Another thing is that sibadocument kanjani abantu singabazi. Uyibaze laphi bona. Le nto ayisho is more like saying abantu abadriver without ama license mabanikwe ama license for free. Akusiyigebengu. Mabanikwe free of charge.
Are you aware that some students la apply la NSFAS akina ngayithuli kuse? Kunebantu nyalo banabo ma 10 years, labanye sebanabo 15 years ba apply le RTP, so le RTP wabaphuma. Unemployment in South Africa says at the highest rate ma graduates or sebendi and we have esibhedlela bakutshela ukuthi kude emphethe esibhedlela like we don't have resources kunebantwana laba nyalo umntwana kufuna apply le inzawo noma ufunze primary kufuna apply esikoleni and agcine labanye bagcine futhi bagcine nenza bangayithuli esikoleni. So akethe umuntu in all these problems that we have in South Africa, akethe umuntu that we have to document illegal foreigners. Documenting illegal foreigners, it's a very impossible thing to do in South Africa because we don't have the capacity to do that. If we had the capacity to learn or document some illegal foreigners, phela ngabe kude ukuthi lo umntwana apply le NSFAS akina ngayithuli. Ngabe kude umuntu lo sole RTP na lo applyele nyalo so lusalenzile. Ngabe kude umuntu ongasebenzi alana qualified ukuthi ayosebenza mara akasebenzi. Ngabe ufika esibhedlela bakutshela ukuthi kude emphethe. Ngabe abantwana bethu abasweli indzawo esikoleni ababahlupheki ukufunza indzawo esikoleni. Primary school nase high school umuntu ufuna apply elana. We have to document illegal foreigners. We don't have the capacity to document illegal foreigners, and because if we had that capacity, another thing about documenting these people, like you know, like I know a lot of people who une ID South Africa, une ID Swaziland. So these people look shows that person has gets to have land in Swaziland, they get to benefit in the South African economy and in whatever that we have in South Africa. Lo muntu khona ukuthola iNSFAS South Africa ngala unemhlaba wakhe eSwatini yena uright ulana unetsetekile wena unalutho uphelele with whatever that you have in South Africa. Yes, we all want Africa to unite, we want Africa to unite, and Africa will unite at the end of the day. But then Africa cannot start uniting in South Africa. Africa cannot unite in South Africa. We don't have the capacity to do that. We don't. And these people yabona ngendlela like mina bangibhora ngayo like nalomshita ngendlela ngibhora ngayo lo document ama illegal foreigners like yo the way ngithanza like bengithanza ngayo political party yakhe EFF made sense for me like throughout. Even EFF makes sense for almost each and every one of us. Mangafunzi manifesto EFF, it talks to us, it speaks for us. Nationalization of mines, nationalization of natural resources, economic freedom. That's what we want in South Africa. You know. But these people they've done a lot. They've done a lot in South Africa. EFF excel. EFF has fought for unfairly dismissed workers who's probably 17. EFF has fought for underpaid workers who's batole masala rights in even to get the benefits as well. EFF has opened 24-hour clinics. EFF has donated. EFF, these people, they have done a lot for South Africans, and they make sense to us, to most of us, and they make sense to us. Mara ngaloka documenting work look lumfana lona Judas Mademana. And that's why we even I believe I'm now believing these speculations yeah, they saw him with Taylor and with taxi owners and gangsters And like he even knows the big five, what, because the way he protects this guy protects criminals. The people they are protecting are criminals. These people are the very same people abalesa ama-drugs eSouth Africa, babhizi ngabo-human trafficking nje sinenkinga letingaka nje sona amanyawo agcwele nje estradini sona. It's because of these illegal foreigners. Makasimulas, you have to document them. Njengoba asho phakela umthakathi uyomtrack kanjani lo muntu lona masoluyana. And cabanga lo muntu lona, like since they come here for a better life and for opportunities, like shokuthi if atofika lana athole nasibasi yakhe afunza bekrena benjenjani mase kuba madima la South Africa bana they have somewhere else to go. Makuba madima lana they go back to their countries with our economy, with whatever. Lo mfana lona shema documenting back. The way this guy was making sense to me, like the way political party about they was making sense to us, like, and I'm actually like why bend this on, because like he's now making it difficult for us to remove the ANC out of power, because it is going to be very impossible, very difficult to remove the ANC out of power, and so because the party is not like that made sense for almost many of us when we political party. Vele besta ufaka yena vele sibandingi nje. Mara ngalo documenting kwakhe thina abanye sajika mina njengampela sengijikila. Akaqhubeka na documenting lo mfu hayi ngeke bafethu. Hayi ngeke. We don't have the capacity to do that in South Africa except.
Yabona, there's one thing engiyikhumbulayo engibona ukuthi yayi right longangayi understanding ngesikhathi yayenzeka ngaso. Kune strategy la esasetshenziswa enkatha ngesikhathi nje umuntu esemncane. Yayithi inkatha mangabe ilwa la KwaZulu Natal kukhona into abayilwelayo bengene umuzi nomuzi bekhiphe kwasane umfana lapho ukuthi ayishone lapho la kuhlangene khona abanye abafana kuyoliwa. Ngoba lento esuka izolwelwa isuka izobenefitisa wonke umuntu. And njengamanje la eSouth Africa kunabantu abalwayo belwela izinto, but kunabantu abalwayo bese kube nabantu abahlezi belibele amantombazane belibele nawutshwala. Balwe laba abanye belahlekelwe impilo zabo, abanye beboshwe. Bese kuthi mangabe sebenqobile kuleyo nto bese kwenze njani kubenefita even isho nalaba ade behleli bengenzi lutho bayigxeka lento. Yabona nje indaba yoFees Must Fall. Baningi abantu abafa lapha. Baningi abantu abalimala. Baningi ababoshwa. Baningi ababehlele emakhaya beyigxeka leyanto. Kodwa ababenefit mangabe sephumelele. Indaba yasemayini eMarikana kuliwa lapha kulwela izinto. Baningi ababeyigxeka behlele emakhaya. Namhlanje bayasebenza konke emayini ba enjoy lawo ma benefit. Yabo. Namanje siyalwa silwe indaba yamakwerekwere. Kunezinja ezithi ngoba naku zisebenza zona ziyigxeke lento, zihamba amaphathi zona, zihamba ama-shows, ziphuza utshwala, zimisa ziphuza imoto namantombazane kuyehla kuyenyuka. Kodwa mangabe sesiyinqobile le mpi yiba bazobe sebe-enjoya lama benefits lawo. La eSouth Africa abantu bakhona banengqondo embi ukuthi umuntu mangabe yena esasutha ngaleso sikhathi athi impi yezwe yena akayingeni ngoba yena uright. Yabo, yazi ukuthi ngelisikhathi ngiyaye ngize ngifisa ukuthi labantu aba-affectwa yile ndaba yamakwerekwere sengathi bangashisa wonke amabhizinisi so that wonke umuntu wase-South Africa engekaze asebenze ayizwe le nhlungu eziwa abantu abahleli bemakhaya bengasebenzi bebe be-qualified imisebenzi idliwa amakwerekwere. Bese kushiswa wonke nama-police station kanye ney'moto lezi ngoba izinja lezi zamaphoyisa ziholelwa imali yethu ye-tax, kodwa ifuna ukulwa nathi zisivimbe silwa silwezweni lethu siqhashazwa. Siqhashazwa uhulumeni ovotelwe yithi. Abanye futhi laba ekufuza ukuthi nabo singabashiyi imizi yabo konke naloko abanako kushiswe ngoba imali yethu leya. Yabo. Uhulumeni asiphethe phela kulelizwe. Uhulumeni ubekwa yithi. Uphethwe yithi. Uholelwa yithi ngemali yethu. Kuhleli lapha nje ivoti lethu, so asizuzwa ngaye, uyena ekufuna ezwe ngathi. Manje lento le i-affecta wonke umuntu, and wonke umuntu wale South Africa, akekho omunye umuntu ozothi kif mangabe silwela lento sifune ukuthi siyilungise. Sonke one side. Kuphuma amakwerekwere kuleli izwe so lethi kuzolunga izwe. Ngeke silwe kangaka kuleli izwe abazali bethu belwe bangilahlela impilo zabo bese emva lokho kuqhamuka abanye abantu bezo enjoy lo ma benefit kulambe thina ezweni lethu. Ngeke kwenzeke lokho.
South Africa, I think it's safe to say now that our country is being sold to other foreign nationals, illegal or legal. It's clear as day that our country is being sold to foreign nationals. South Africa does not cater to South Africans anymore. The South African economy does not cater to South Africa anymore. You have the people in Cape Town, in the Western Cape, complaining about rental prices increasing, the Cape Town catering to digital nomads, to foreign nationals, to people that are from European countries, because they want their dollars, they want their euros, they want the pounds. Whilst South Africans in Cape Town are struggling to afford rent, struggling to afford their groceries, and they're being side-eyed by foreigners in their homes. The NC government doesn't seem to be doing anything about the illegal foreigners that are invading South Africa. But what they're doing instead, they're giving these people grant benefits. These people are giving birth in our countries using our resources that we pay for through e-tax. So is the DA government doing nothing about the fact that Cape Townians are complaining about the city of Cape Town catering to people that are from these countries more than Cape Townians? I think, guys, at this point, it's quite clear that they are selling this country for whatever reason. This country it seems like it's not catering to South Africans anymore. You have the ANC government doing nothing about the illegal immigration that is occurring in this country. You have the EFF talking about we have to legalize illegal foreigners, because why not? They're Africans just like us. You have the DA government, what they're doing in Cape Town, absolutely doing nothing about the fact that Cape Town is being sold to foreigners, European nationals.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Bantu baseMzansi, they are saying no to documenting foreigners, but ngeke bavume ukudocument wema foreigners, bathi kuyodocumentwa ngisho nanetigebengu, bathi kuyosuka abantu eNigeria ngebunyende eGhana, eMalawi, eMozambique, bagijime bathi oyidubukele South Africa kuyadocumentwa, and the people are just saying ukuthi wonke umuntu akabuyele uye countryni yakhe, sikhathele, sitired, bantu bazi babanengane uye South Africa. And people are also complaining ngenza ukuthi kunama students ema-varsity, ema-college langatholi NSFAS, because i-NSFAS itholwa abantu bokuqhamuka. People are saying foreigners should leave. People are saying ukuthi government yethu yala Mzansi ngiyo lesikhostaku, ngiyo lenda kokuthi unemployment ibhebhetheke ngale ndlela, because now phela siyabona ama-foreigners ayasebenza South Africa, but South Africans are unemployed and they are saying they are lazy. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.